guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be playing with some slime. And I made these slime, this one, and this one is made by me. I made the slime, and these one I just bought. So let's get on to the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and hit that notification bell. Okay, so here's this one. Here's this one. Here's this one. And here's this one. So I'm gonna go to tiniest to biggest. So this one's the tiniest right now. Here it is. Guys, oh. You hear that? It's farting. Go see my other slime time and my slime attack time. This is gonna be slime attack time too. Okay, I just took it out. It's like so giggly. Okay, there we go. That was number one. That was the slime. This one, I just opened that one. Now we're going. This one is so foam. It's filled with foam balls. Actually, I'll probably do this in another video today, so go and watch that video that I'm gonna make. Because this is so foamy. That's filled with foam balls. I don't know why. But let's go with this one next, since that is the next one. This is really big. This is so big, guys. It's so long. See, it's even longer than that. Okay, here it is. I like to do this thing with this one. Watch. You put it down on your hand. And once you fill all of the thing, like the whole circle fills on your hand, then you let it go and you put it on the top and you turn it around and it goes. And then there's a bubble. It goes. It's awesome. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's going up. Look. It's a bubble. It's a bubble now. Oh, yeah. It's a bubble now. Okay, that's awesome. And then you just press down and it goes. Okay, there we go. Number 2, we have this last one. It's so long. And I made this one last night, so it's awesome. And awesome. And look, it has foam balls too. So. Okay, so I'm going to do this on the same video that I make this today. So it will probably be like the minute after this one when I upload it. So it's going to be awesome. Subscribe, leave a like, and hit that notification bell. I'm Taylor Ninja.